how to enable or disable hide event recommendations in calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key, then tap on the settings icon. In the calendar settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Labs. At the top here, tap on Hide Event Recommendations. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here said, events with similar titles won't be recommended when you enter event titles. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.